this shit got everywhere. It even got on the lens a little bit, man. It's fucking raining outside. It has not rained like this in LA in quite a long time, so thought it'd be appropriate for a little POV drive, man. Just something calm, nothing crazy, obviously. We're not gonna fucking drift in the rain or do anything stupid, but I don't know. There's something vibey about just, oh, look at that RV. Breaking Bad RV. Just like, you know, chilling. It's almost like a ASMR kind of vid, so I'll talk a little bit, but just a lot of chill driving, you know. Got quite the drive, so let's do it. We'll see how long it really takes because people in LA do not know how to drive. What is my auto setting? Is this automatic? Holy shit, it's raining hard as fuck. Oh, not that hard. Oh, that's chill. Damn, that sucks. Does he have a door? Oh, he does have a door. That's pretty cool. Oh my lord. Oh my god. No, don't turn. I want to see it. Oh. It's got like a graphic on it. Huh? There's a lot of RVs. You think any meth's being cooked? At least one, right? I don't know. I probably could have gone, but playing it. Oh. No, it's fire. Damn, it looks crazy. Roads are these, bro? Jesus, you know what I mean? Like, what does my tax money go towards? What was that? Cali also has this really weird stuff where the freeways just randomly end and it just goes to a stop sign for some reason, which is very strange. Oh, jeez. Craziest thing is this thing would smoke me in a race. Isn't that fucked up? I'd murk that thing though. Little charger action. Oh, is that a Hellcat actually? It might just, no, it's a little 392. Another Tessie. There's just so many Teslas, man. They're not even that fun. I think the Taycan's cool. I saw a Mercedes electric one on the road the other day. It looked very, I don't know. Electric cars just have this certain look. They're just very round, you know? You can tell it's an electric car kind of shit. Even the new Hummers look kind of crazy. I kind of like the new Hummers, dude. They're kind of cool. Look at him go. Oh, he's going in my lane and shit. Bruh. Nope. Damn, if it wasn't raining, I would totally race him. And if I didn't have an orange drink. But it kind of does blend in with the seats if it were to spill, you know? We'll let him have this one. Oh, the Tessie wants some action too. Oh, this road sucks. think those are real people. I think those are NPCs. You know, like birds? Like, some of the birds gotta be fake. Like, I think there's definitely real people, you know? I don't think we're completely in a simulation, but like, those motherfuckers up there, dude, there's no way they're real. They missed the train and just left. People want some Popeyes right now, bro. Popeyes is goated. That was my, not my first job. I think it was my first fast food job. Popeyes is some real shit. Even after I worked there, I would still eat there. And I feel like that says a lot. You know what I mean? Oh, someone's getting a nice, beautiful Honda delivered. Or it got towed. Or I don't know which one. Oh, a C43 AMG. Little baby AMG. They're not like the worst things ever, you know? I mean, they're still kind of expensive though. Like, I'm pretty sure those are still like 50 or 60,000, which is fucking crazy, to be honest with you. kind of diluting the AMG brand, honestly, just a little bit. I mean, they kind of did the same thing with BMW, where it's like their base models, like the 2 and 3 series and the C classes and like the C300s, they all have like the M package or AMG package, and it's even got like AMG little badges on it and shit. But I'm pretty sure that's like, I don't know, because all AMG engines are hand built and everything, and it's like almost a separate division from Mercedes. I think those still are. It's just a little smaller. I think there's a V6 in there. It has an inline 4 with the, what's it called? The CLA 45s and all that, which aren't actually like the worst cars ever, but I just don't trust like 500 horsepower out of a 4-cylinder, even if it's German and everything. It just seems like a recipe for disaster, you know? How reliable are they? Dispensary right next to the liquor store. Right across from the Taco Bell. That's just, come on now. That's just prime, beautiful Los Angeles stuff. I think there's a taco truck over there, actually. I think there's 2, which is way better than Taco Bell. But hey, all right, I'm tired of people hating on Taco Bell. People hating on Chipotle. It's fake Mexican food. No shit, all right? No shit. I'm not going to Panda Express to have, like, exquisite Chinese food, you know? I'm just going to get some shit real quick, you know? Just a little guilty pleasure, if anything. I fuck with all that. I fuck with Chipotle, Taco Bell. I fuck with Panda Express. As an Asian, I love Panda Express. Like, come on, dude. Oh my God, there's a Lizzo TV show. What a beautiful woman. God. Oh, don't hit me, please. Yellow lights always scare me because there's some people that will just shoot that even if it's yellow or red, you know, just... I haven't seen it personally, but I've seen the aftermath of the accidents, you know what I mean? Type shit. Go ahead, get in there. It's like one of my favorite streets to drive down in California. All these little, I mean, the palm trees are usually bigger, they just got trimmed. I always thought it was weird though. These are like some fat houses, like millions and millions of dollars at least. I'm pretty sure the cheapest house on this entire street is like 1.5 or 2 or something like that. That's probably like a really, really generous estimate as well. But it's so weird how there's just like a main street, like hundreds and thousands of cars probably just drive up and down this every day, and your house is right there. Like, that'd be so annoying, bro. You know what I mean? I paid all that money to have, like, I don't know, and maybe it's just different. I'm from Texas, right? So like $1 million gets you, ooh, a little M235i. $1 million gets you like a fat property and some fat land around it. You get probably a pool, you get a gate, probably get a basketball court on that bitch. You know what I mean? You can get some good solid shit for $1 million in a lot of the country. And then you come here and you can get like a little shack on the corner for like 800 grand, you know, if you're lucky. Look at that shit. Oh, those are the real baller cribs that you can't see because of the shrubbery. It's that gas. Anyway, love you guys. Thanks for watching this little POV. It was probably kind of boring, but every once in a while, you know, I had to talk a little bit. More POVs coming soon. Rainy days, cloudy days, fast canyons, you know, this, that, beach POVs, fucking, it's gonna be a good time, man. I'm just trying to run it up on this channel for sure, but I'm trying to do like one POV. Ooh, little E-Class. Dude, the E-Class coupes are so dope because there's no B-pillar, right? So like when you roll down both windows, it's just, this is all empty and it's so fresh, dude. Mercedes killed it with that one. But anyway, yeah, I'm trying to come out with one POV drive a week and then one like vlog kind of on the car, you know, like handheld kind of thing a week as well. So at the very least 2 videos a week is what I'm aiming for. Now that we have a consistent schedule, it's gonna be cool. And I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I'll see you very soon.
Crash reported ahead on North Highland Avenue.
Oh no, make sure to stay cool, stay safe.
Still on the fastest route.
And I'll see you soon. Peace.